Hi students, this is the second class of biology of grade 8. The past class we have discussed about the cell, the what is cell and the shape and size of a cell and different types of cell means the classification of cell. Today we will discuss about the general structure of a cell. What is cell? In the past class, we have discussed the what is cell. The cell is the structural and functional unit of life. That means it is the building block of living organism. In better way, we can define a cell. That is, cell is a protoplasmic material which contain nucleus that composed with the genetic material DNA. So, the general structure of a cell. The cell is mainly composed with basic two parts. That is covering system and protoplasm. Covering system and protoplasm. The covering system are mainly of two types, that is cell wall and cell membrane, and protoplasm is mainly composed with main three part, nucleus, cytoplasm and vacuoles. The cytoplasm have basic three parts, organic and inorganic substance, matrix and cell organelle. The protoplasm has the basic three parts, nucleus, cytoplasm and vacuoles. Cytoplasm are composed with basic three parts, organic and inorganic substances, matrix and cell organelle. Cell organelle are of two types, membrane bounded and without membrane. The membrane bounded are of two types, single membrane bounded and double membrane bounded. About the cell organelle, the structural different structure of cell organelle that will be discussed later. Now we will show you the different parts of a cell, and please note down this structure. Please note down this structure before I erase it, because I will show you the diagram of a definite cell, general structure of a definite cell. have said that basic structure of a cell is mainly composed with two parts, covering system and protoplasm. Covering system are of two types, cell wall and cell membrane. So the outer most part of a cell is known as cell covering system. Outermost part of a cell is called cell covering system. So this is the outermost covering of a cell, that is, it is called cell wall. The rigid outermost part of a cell is called cell wall. It is mainly composed with cellulose, pectin. The cell have the basic two parts, cell covering system and protoplasm. The outermost part of a cell, that is cell covering system. Cell covering are of two, cell wall and cell membrane. The outermost rigid part of a plant cell, that is called cell wall, which is mainly made up with cellulose. And the flexible part, the thin layer present just beneath the cell wall, which is mainly made up with protein and lipid, that is known as cell membrane. That is known as cell membrane. So the cell covering system have two parts, cell wall and cell membrane. Cell wall, the outermost rigid part, which is mainly made up with cellulose, pectin, hemicellulose, etc. And the flexible thin layer present just beneath the cell wall, which is mainly made up with protein and lipid, that is called cell membrane. It is the covering system of a cell, and the rest part of the cell is known as protoplasm, which is made up with main three parts, that is vacuole, nucleus and cytoplasm. This is called vacuoles. This is known as nucleus, and the rest part is called cytoplasm. Cytoplasm have basic three parts, that is the organic and inorganic substances. What are the organic and inorganic substances? Like different kinds of ions, protein bodies, fat bodies, etc. That is known as organic and inorganic substances. And the cell organelle. and matrix. The cytoplasm have basic three part: matrix, organic and inorganic substances, and cell organelle. What is the matrix? Matrix, the jelly-like structure present within the protoplasm, that is known as matrix. The jelly-like structure present in the protoplasm over which all the cell organelles are present, that is known as matrix. Over the matrix, the cell organelles are present. The different types of cell organelles like mitochondria, lysosome, endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome, and many more. So about the structure of different kinds of cell organelle, the structure of cell wall and cell membrane, that will be discussed later individually. So this is the basic structure of a cell. I repeat in short, the cell is mainly composed with main two parts, that is cell coherent system and protoplasm. Cell coherent system have two parts, cell wall and cell membrane, and protoplasm have basic three parts, vacuoles, nucleus and cytoplasm. Cytoplasm have basic three parts, matrix, the jelly-like substance, and organic and inorganic substance, and cell organelle. Cell organelles are like two type, membrane bounded and without membrane. The ribosome is without membrane cell organelle, means it has no membrane. Mitochondria, lysosome, they are membrane bounded cell organelle. That means these organelles are bounded by a membrane. It will be more clear when we will discuss about the individual structure of different kinds of cell organelle, like the structure of a nucleus, like the structure of a mitochondria, structure of a membrane in next classes. So for today, the basic structure of a cell is completed. If there is any question, please respond in WhatsApp group.